Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. As you can tell from the title of the video, MelodySusie have sent me their 2-in-1 nail dust collector to review. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing and I'll be showing how I use a file to remove my acrylic nails. When I first opened the box, there's these coupons and leaflets and an instruction manual. So it comes with this plug and a UK plug adapter. Next there's a box, and inside that box is another box, and in that box there's the handpiece that you use for the e-file. With that beautiful MelodySusie logo on it. Diamond drill bits and the armour band. And this little cup thing that you clip onto the side of the e-file instead of rolling around on the table. It holds the handpiece, so you can see I'm trying to clip it in. On this side you plug in the handpiece and you plug in the power cable. Next, here are the buttons. So the first button's for the fan, the next button next to it is for the forward or reverse for your e-file, whether it's turning clockwise or anti-clockwise. The next is the power on and off, and then the plus and minus is for the speed for your handpiece for the e-file. You can open it up and this is how you can clean it. That's the filter. It's got a little ribbon which is quite handy. So to put in a new bit, you turn it to unlock it so you can put in your bit. So I'm using a black band ceramic bit. The black band means that the drill bit is coarse, and then you turn it to lock it again so it stays secure. So that's how you place a drill bit inside the handpiece. Now I turn it on and you can see the lights light up. When you press the fan to turn it on once, it goes straight to the high speed, and then you press it again and it will go to the lower speed. So now I'm just showing you, you just gently tap on pressing the plus button to increase the speed for the e-file, and you can see the numbers. That's the rotations per minute, so that's 18,000, it can go up to 30,000 rotations per minute. So now I'm just going to put it on the correct speed and start filing my nails. You can see there's a mixed match of nails right now. The two white nails, I was just swatching a white gel polish, but underneath that is the set I did with the white and gold. If you're interested in watching that, you can click on that card thing so you can see, you can watch that video if you like. It'll use Valentino acrylic. I was going to be removing them for my next video, and in that video I'm going to do these two middle nails. I'll be posting that either tomorrow or the day after. So as you can see, I'm just filing away at the acrylic and the fan's just sucking all that dust in, and you can see it all just getting pulled down. Usually when I'm removing my acrylic, I'll cut the length of my nails off, and that will reduce the filing time by a lot. But in this, for the sake of the video, I didn't do that and I just kept filing to show you the dust at the end of the video. Because I'm making videos all the time and I'm always taking acrylics off and then doing new sets and then taking them off, I thought I'd try doing a gel top coat and a peel off base coat underneath them. So you can see there's some lifting, but that's good because I've got that gel top coat underneath. So that's the point. The point is so the acrylic's there's not a strong adhesion to my nails. If it was a normal set, then that's not good. If there was lifting, you would want to file that off and do a new set, because lifting can then cause bacteria to grow, and then that's how you end up getting green spots on your nails. So now that I've finished filing, I'm just going to neaten up the edges, the free edge, because they can be jaggy. Just filing the little bit that's left off on my nail while the fan's still on, so it's sucking up all that dust. I'll include the link in the description box below where you can get the C file from with a discount code that you can use to save some money off when you place an order. Now that I've finished filing the nails, now it's time to see all that dust that's been collected. I'm quite surprised with the amount of dust that's sucked in. That's just amazing. So they say that you just tap it out and use a hairdryer to blow out the dust. You do not wash it, don't get it wet, and tap it into a bin or something. So I hope you all enjoyed the video and this quick demo and unboxing. Hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! I don't know why I put it back and put the lid on.